Hello everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
5 best Crimper reviews. Number 5. Alijah Professional Ratcheting Crimper. Its self-adjustable ratchet mechanism allows easy operation. Perfect for using with semi or fully insulated butt terminal connectors. Ratcheting mechanism helps to maintain perfect crimping. Suitable for most of the semi or fully insulated terminals and connectors. Brand, Alijah. Weight, 1.26 pounds. Model, CECOMINOD064122. Length, 230 mm. Dimension, 11 x 4.7 x 1.2 inches. Number 4. Titin Tools 11477 Ratcheting Wire Terminal Crimper. Ratcheting mechanism allow perfect crimping every time. Nice soft handle allows comfortable grip. Jaws are replaceable. Color-coded wire sizes for accurate cuts. Well-built crimper ensures longevity. Brand, Titin Tools. Weight, 1.2 pounds. Model, 11477. Color, black and yellow. Size, fixed jaw crimper. Dimension, 0.9 into 4.7 into 11.5 inches. Number 3. Passthrough modular wire crimper. It allows fast and reliable installation of various voice and data applications. It can cut, strip, and crimp anything like flat stain foam cable or paired conductor cables. Able to crimp and trim the standard modular connectors and pass-through connectors. Brand, Klein Tools. Weight, 14.4 ounces. Model, VDV2261110. Color, yellow and black. Dimension, 6.1 into 1.1 into 2.4 inches. Number 2. Trendnet HP or RJ45 and 6P or RJ12, RJ11 crimp. The whole body is constructed by steel for durability. Can be used for any kind of telephone or Ethernet cable. Compact design and hand grips make it easy to use. Suitable for crimping, striping, and cutting cables of various modular plugs. Brand, Trendnet. Weight, 11.2 ounces. Model, TCCT68. Color, blue or black. Dimension, 10 into 4.2 into 1.5 inches. Number 1. Vuela Mart, insulated wire crimper. Durable steel construction for added strength. Ergonomically ratchet mechanism saves total 50% pressure on hand. Its handle grip helps for comfortable driving. Integral lock release automatically for secure operation. Brand, Vuela Mart. Weight, 1 pound. Model, INDRCPV03C. Material, steel. Length, 22 centimeter. Dimension, 8.7 into 3 into 0.9 inches.
All the products are available on Amazon, and we listed down their Amazon links in the description. Check them out to know which one is best suited to your needs. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching it till the end. Hope you liked it and all your confusions have been cleared up. If so, then go and give a thumbs up. If you are new, consider subscribing to our channel for our future video notifications. We review all sorts of products based on our audience demand to make your decision easier. Please let us know which product you owned from the list and why. Also, let us know if we missed any of your favorite products which deserve to be here. Put the name of your products that you want to be reviewed by us in the comment section below. As always, we put the links of these mentioned products in the description below. Check them out for their best prices and details. We are not permitted to mention the prices in this video. So, cheers with the best one!